everyone. Today we will learn how to model art frames and how to apply materials on it. So let's get started.
Firstly, we will create the shape of our frame. So for that, go to that create panel and select the shape tool and then draw a rectangular according to your choice. Convert this rectangular into editable poly so that we can adjust our vertices or edges according to our choice. Moving forward, we will use Inset tool to make a small space inside our rectangular. You can adjust the Inset settings to change the shape and size of the recessed area. Now that we have our recessed area, let's extrude the shape to give it some depth. Select the shape and go to the Modify panel, click on the Extrude button and set the amount according to your need. You can adjust the extrude amount to change the thickness of your frame. We'll select the base of the shape and clone it to make the glass of the art frame. Separate that shape which we are going to use for the glass of the frame by detach tool. This will detach your poly. Now that our frame model is complete, let's add some texture to it. Go to the material editor and check for the settings if the renderer is Corona or not. Let's switch to that Corona render.
Change that standard to Corona Legacy material. We are making the material for the glass. So for that, we have to set both the reflection and refraction levels and glossiness to 1. This will make the material into a glassy material. Now you can drag and drop the material to the poly. In the next material slot, we will be making the material for the frame's border. Similarly, we will switch the standard to Corona Legacy material and set the diffuse color to black. Here we are giving a little glossiness to the frame's material. Select only the poly where we are applying the art material. Then again, we'll switch the standard to Corona Legacy material. Select diffuse, but this time we have to double click the square and the dialog box will appear where you have to select bitmap and locate the path where the material is. Select the map and open it. Now we'll crop our image and select only the required material. And don't forget to tick on apply. Now we are making the another painting frame by copying it. Drag and drop the first art texture to other material slot and change the name. And go into that view image option and select the required part of the material. Now you can change your texture and apply it. We are making the same painting frame but with a white border in it. The process is almost similar to that earlier one. and we are done with two types of painting frames.